It's part 3, using adding up. So adding up for subtraction sounds like a contradiction, but it's something we tend to do in our heads when we don't have paper, or we're working out maybe the change we're due when we go shopping, for example. So what you do with this one is you actually, rather than starting with the 521, which is the bigger number, you actually start with the lower number. So I'm going to write the lower number here. And in our heads, we work out how much it is that we would need to add until we got 521. So starting on 184, the next natural nice number above that is 190. So it would work out that that would take 6 to increase to that number. Okay. And then we go up to the next hundreds. So we've gone to the tens, the next hundreds, and that takes us up to 200. And we have to have increased that by 10. So far we've added 6 and we've added 10 and we're at 200. And at this point it's much easier to jump up to, let's say, the 500, which is the closest 100 to our 521. And to do that we would need to increase by 300. Okay. And then we've got the final step where we can jump straight up to 521. By increasing by 21. So we've identified adding 6 and 10 and 300 plus 21 will take you up to 521. So what we would now look at is the total increase. So if we start with the 6, make sure we line up on the right hand side for our addition. Okay, line straight down here. And then we've got 300. And then we've got 21. And if we add those together, what we're working at is the difference between our two numbers. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 2 is 3, and I've got 3 on its own is 337. So the difference between the two numbers is what we're working out when we do 521 take away 184. And from the method that we've just used, I can confirm the answer to that is 337. And that's your method.